Assalamu alaikum. A lot of us at some point in our life have been lonely. Many of us still do occasionally, but there is a big difference between staying lonely and loneliness. Loneliness is when you want to be around someone but can't. Many reasons can cause this, but social anxiety makes it the most difficult. Some people also feel lonely even while being around others. There are so many examples of people who live away from home because of work or school. We have curated a list of loneliness quotes that can normalize what you are feeling and gives you a perspective on your emotion. If you are someone who feels lonely, it can harm your mental health. These mental health problems can cause insomnia, anxiety, stress, depression, low self esteem, etc. etc. Now, the question is, why does loneliness hurt so much? The answer is, human beings surround themselves with others, create bonds, and tend to stay connected to give us a sense of belonging. Maybe this is why loneliness is so dangerous. This is why, when a hard wave of loneliness hits us, we need to rely on inspiring loneliness quotes about having no one to talk to. Reading lonely quotes can provide some much needed perspective and help you feel better about your situation. Now I present some loneliness quotes to you that help you sail through life when you have no one to talk to. Number one is, you are not alone. You are seen. I am with you. You are not alone. Number two is, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Albert Einstein. Number three is, there are no passengers on the spaceship Earth. We are all crew. Number 4 is, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln. Number 6 is, I am not alone even in solitude. Number 7 is, build your own dreams or someone else will hire you to build theirs. Farah Gray. Number 8 is, to forget the self is to remember that we don't exist alone, but in relation to other people, to other creatures, to the planet, and to the universe. Steve Hagen. Number 9 is, live your life, listen to your music, way too loud, be crazy, and as different as you want to be. And always remember, you are not alone. Andy Buresick. Number 10 is, make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. Number 11 is, never give up on what you want to do. A person with big dream is more powerful than one with all the facts. Albert Einstein. Number 12 is, everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Marcus Aurelius. Number 13 is, you are blessed, you are great, you are not alone, you are powerful. Amit Ray. Number 14, loneliness is the mark upon us, the original cut that calls us to seek the source of meaning, for living, and sate our deepest spiritual needs. Patricia J. Number 15, when I was alone, I looked to the key. I looked to the sky. When I looked at the sky, I wasn't alone. Abdul Bari Khalil. 16 is constantly remind yourself that the feeling of loneliness is temporary and you will get over it in any time. Number 17 is if you are ever sad and think that life is hard, remember that you are not alone. Abbas Kazaruni. Number 18 is if you think you are too small to be effective, you have never been in the dark with a mosquito. Betty Reese. Number 19 is many people need desperately to receive this message. I feel and think much as you do and care about many of the things you care about, although most people do not care about them. You are not alone. Kurt Vonnegut. Number 20 is nothing can dim the light that shines from within. Maya Angelou. Number 21 is the effect of loneliness is to develop those individual resources which make up your personality. Tony Lake. Number 22 is stay true to yourself. An original is worth more than a copy. Suzy Kassem. Number 23 is you yourself as much as nobody in the entire universe deserve your love and affection. Buddha. 28 is when you feel lonely you attract more loneliness. Jerry Hicks. If you enjoyed these loneliness quote, then do consider checking out the Now and Me platform, which can provide you a space to express yourself freely. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. And do not feel yourself lonely because Allah is with you, God is with you. Keep yourself occupied, find a hobby or try something new, such as cooking, hiking, painting, sculpture, writing, running, dancing, yoga, reading, blogging, and learning a language. This world is a lonely place, and I understand. Just keep discovering yourself and what you like and dislike, and do what you please so you are also productive. Human beings crave contact, but when we have no one to talk to, we can start working out, get close to nature, give time to ourselves to think clearly, and join support groups. Being lonely should not define your life. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give me a like, share, comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Bye.